best freeze-dry treats right here. My favorite is the vanilla ice cream sandwich. If you love ice cream, you gotta try freeze-dry. Amazing taste and flavors, love it. Back to product zone. After 1 week testing out this FD Pantry freeze-dry treat, amazing flavor to the max. Different type of flavor from, we got lemon crunch right here. We have fruit crunch sour. This is one of my favorite. It's sour at the beginning, but then it's really nice at the end. And freeze-dry candy is always more delicious, tasty. It's a really good treat. It's great for adults, for kids. It's good for traveling. They have so many different type of flavors. And this here we have the ice cream sandwich vanilla, one of the best. I highly recommend this. This is amazing. If you're an ice cream fan and you love ice cream, freeze dry ice cream is better. 100% better. Check in the description box below and get your hands on some amazing freeze-dried treats. There's a good company. They got really good review, and I tested all of them out with me and my kids to make sure we test it out, we like it, and what we think about it. And this is an honest review. Hands down, the best, and I love it. And they give a lot in this pack, and the price is not expensive. It's pretty good price overall. Overall, it's really good. The kids and I, we love it, and can't go wrong. Check in the description box for more details on this. Get your hand on some freeze-dried treats. They are delicious and worth it.